Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to give you a very basic understanding of how blood circulation works throughout the whole body. This is a much more complicated process, but I'm going to break it down and give you the foundation knowledge that you need to understand how the heart acts as a pump. So before we begin, let's review the heart anatomy. So in this diagram, this represents peripheral circulation. This represents pulmonary circulation. The blue represents deoxygenated blood. Red represents oxygenated blood. So this is the right side of the heart. This is the left side of the heart. So blood is going through the vena cava system into the right atrium. And as you can see, deoxygenated blood is going from the body through the vena cava system into the right atrium. The vena cava system is composed of inferior vena cava and superior vena cava, bringing in deoxygenated blood from the upper and lower portion of the body to the right atrium, which is then pumped to the right ventricle. Then the right ventricle is pumping all the deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary artery into the lungs, where through pulmonary circulation, gas exchange takes place. So the deoxygenated blood is becoming oxygenated blood again. So the red represents oxygenated blood. It's saturated with oxygen again. So from the lungs, the oxygenated blood is carried by the pulmonary veins, and then it's taken to the left atrium. So the left atrium then transfers all that oxygenated blood to the left ventricle. Left ventricle, with great amount of pressure, is forcing all that blood, all that oxygenated blood through the aorta to the rest of the body. And then the same step repeats. So this step is repeated until your life ends. As long as your heart is beating, this simple step, it keeps on repeating until your life ends. And this is the basic foundation knowledge that you need to understand how the heart acts as a pump.